Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to make money while watching YouTube videos. But I found out that a lot of websites keep promising people that you are going to make money while watching videos on their platform or in their website. So I begin to dig out and find these websites that are trending in the internet and people are rushing into it. Definitely, after all their efforts, they begin to wonder and start making research to know what is the problem that they makes them not to withdraw their money. And the name of the website we are going to call upon right now is called Lemon Money. Lemon Money promise us that they will pay you just by watching videos, but we find out that they didn't fulfill their promise. Let me show you what I mean by they didn't fulfill their promise. I went to this website about day before yesterday to make money, though I was watching it and they are giving me a lot of hope that they will pay me. So definitely when I reach the end of the actual video, I find out that it is a scam, that they don't pay. So I begin to dig out to know how and to make a review about them. So I go down straight to this portion, and what convinced me about this website is that they promised me that I will earn up to 258.39 per video you watch on this website. I was convinced, but I was not confused. I was like, how can someone pay me up to 253.39 per video I watch? That means if I watch 10 videos, I have become a rich man. So I begin to watch. When I watch the first video, they give me $10. I watch the second video, they give me $4. I watch the fourth video. That's the way I've been able to reach it. Though I reached the goal and the threshold of withdrawing, but in the way they block me. So I begin to say, maybe what this website is telling me maybe is true. This is what I did. I went straight to down to check which people are sponsoring this actual website and how they are getting the money that they want to pay me, since they are paying huge amount of money. And I went straight here. What I saw is fast payments worldwide available, no investment. I was like, I do not lose anything and I do not gain anything, but I waste my data. So I went straight down to check, to investigate more about this website, to show to my audience that this website might not be original. So I went there and searched to know whether they have a sponsored post or sponsored partner or anything. I couldn't see anything in this actual website. So since that much, I have a website that I can use to review this website to know whether it's legit, original. But before I go to check that, I went to YouTube to check whether a lot of people have made money using this process or with this website. So I went to this YouTube to type in Lemon Money. This is what they show me. Only two people and this actual guy that you are seeing here have talked about this actual website. This actual guy you are seeing have talked about it, and a lot of them, only this actual person have talked about it, which I don't know. I watched the guy's video. He was saying that the website is fake and is not original. So I begin to dig out to check on my own instance to know whether it's true. So I begin to dig out to went to this actual website called Trustplot. Lately I searched that, I've been able to see it ranking number 2 and with 24 review, but I'm seeing totally 1.7 red. And I click on that actual place and this is what I saw. I saw bad. Then, so I began to wonder what happened, why they called it bad, and there is 1.7 total of 24 review, and only this one give it 1 star. This one give it -5, and a lot of them. So I went straight down to see what happened. This is what I saw. I saw complete fraud. I experienced extremely what the other people experienced. Told me I skipped some videos, etc. All that after losing out on a whole night just to correct my mistake. Take them down. So this is what someone said in 3 days ago. You have to see 3 days ago. A lot of people complained and marveled against this actual website. This one say fraud, fake, click back. Fraud, fake, click back. I watched a lot of video to earn $113 and I got told I skip parts to watch again and get resisted. We definitely report sites on Facebook and YouTube. This hidden wannabe guru, I don't understand that language, is using clickbait to get paid. He even has YouTubers promoting this site, claiming it being the legit quick payout. Don't waste your time. This is someone commented this 7 days ago, and a lot of bad comments are coming out from this actually website, which I was marveled, and I don't know what to say, but it's so obvious and so bad to hear that, and a lot of bad comments are coming. So I was being convinced and not confused that this website is not only fake, is a damn time wasted. So I was in this website watching videos tirelessly, and a lot of people I saw their video. I think this actual person promotes their videos in here. See what I noticed? I was signing, but when I click get started, they tell me to log in my password and this. If I click on member area, that's where they will show me the earnings. And this actual guy video always pump out first in this list. This actual guy video always pump out first in this list. So I began able to notice that YouTubers use this to promote their videos. And number two, I noticed also that if I click on skip video or next, they give me money. If I click on next, they give me money. If I click on next, they give me money, which is known as fake waste of time. So I know that I'll be able to convince you that this actual website is fake and is there to waste your time. Please try to avoid. Thank you for listening to me and watching my video. If you like this video and you like what I tell you this now, or like what I just showed to you, kindly give it a thumbs up by subscribing to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post any video like this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Peace out.